Hello guys, in this episode I will take some shots on my current workshop. Here is my builder's CNC milling machine. It's been done this for almost 1 years, and in this several months I built this cover or carpet so I can open it up and slide it back. Something like that. And as well as I take much more times in building the two changes. Now the two changes works at the rear side, and it cannot be seen fully. It slides halfway. Oh no, in this you can see here. This only the rear part. The front part is under this. This door is for changing the tools on the pockets, and it will slide it to the front to match the position of this spindle. And there are two rail slide left and right. Now it cannot be seen clearly. Anyway, we will have next episode to explain it. And this is the electronic carbon. The CNC operation system is Linux CNC. In this episode, I mainly show you that I'm going to disassemble my old CNC router machine, and you can see here I already break it down a lot. The carbons already disassembled, and the machine is handed up by this, how I call this, holster. Anyway, it's almost 14 pounds, around 15 pounds, around 25 kilograms, and I can't lift it up. I need this is my DIY wonder. And about this machine was bought more than 10 years, around 12 to 13 years, from German. It's German made CNC router machine, and it helped me to build a lot of parts, injection molders, and also build my new CNC machine. I also use this machine to help me. And later on, I will disassemble all this, and I will sell those components on the eBay, and to see if I can get some money back. And this is the this too dark. This is the spindle, Quest spindle. Take it out from the machine, and this is the electronic boxes. The original one is 4th axis electronic box. I modified it, and it is 5 axis stepper motor. There are stepper motors electronic box. Anyway, this is all this episode. Later on, all the material will be disassembled, and so I will get some space here. You can see my room. It's very small area, as I live in Hong Kong, and the room space is expensive. I use one room for my workshop. You can see there are not much machine there, but a lot of them are hidden up in the cup in this Robert walk this inside here, and here is some. You can see here some is hang up. I have no space. The newspaper cover is another machine, and beside it is, you can see here is, you can see is injection molding machine, so I can make the aluminum small injection mold and put some plastic material pellets and molded the parts. This is a large air cylinder, and on the left side is the temperature controller, and on the left side upper you can see a little box is dryer for heating up the material to let the moisture come out. And at the bottom you can see there is a orange color. It is a car jack, hydraulic jack, and manual tap. So it will clamp on the two halves injection molders tiny, and the air cylinder will inject the molten material into the molds. And here is also the newspaper cover. This is the 3D printers. That's all my machines. This one is the bending brake. This It's not very clear. There are two handles here. This one. This one. This one. Oh, it helped me a lot in bending the sheet material or minimum sheet. Some is 1.5 millimeter, some is 2 millimeter. And thank you for your watching.